Alrighty guys, yes, towed in, still where I left it. Okay, I went up front to gather my thoughts and to gather a jump box. Now, what's wrong with it? Why was it towed in, JT? Alright, man, y'all know where this is going. Brand new battery. Oh my goodness, cousin Pookie. Brand new freaking alternator. In fact, let me show y'all something. Now, can y'all read that? Towed in. Customer states that they had a new alternator recently put in vehicle, but it is not charging now. Check and advise. All right, that's where I come in at. That's what I do. I check and advise. And I also, in a nice way, remind you that you probably should have came to me first. Should have came here first. Freaking car not charging, guys. Okay, I gotta figure out why. All right, now it's dead, so I got my jump box. What I'm gonna do is attempt to jump it off, and I'm gonna look at the voltage on my jump box and see exactly how many. You know, I should be getting 13 14 volts, but I don't know nothing, man. Damn, it's dead. All right, where's my key? All right, I got the key. Let's power this sucker up. Got 12 volts on it. Let's see what happens. Why the hell is it locked? Nobody's stealing. No running as. Oh my goodness. Let's get it. All right. Uh-oh, I hear some noise. Whoa, 11 volts. This damn thing ain't even charging. And it's noisy. Wait a minute, is that a German alternator? That's a German alternator. Guys, I gotta get this in the shop, because right now I'm living off of this and it's gonna die soon. So y'all hold tight, let me rush and get this in the shop. Oh, will I make it? Will I make it? Come on, baby. All right, I made it in the shop. Now we gotta diagnose this thing, see what the hell going on. All right, guys, I'm in. And it's still running, which means my jump box is still alive. It failed, but it's still alive. 11 volts, guys. We cannot live off 11 volts. What the hell is that noise? It's simple. That freaking junky ass alternator is shot. Yeah. But let me get it in the air. See if I can. Damn. Y'all gonna learn putting these junky ass parts on y'all cars. Look at that. It's nice and shiny too. Let me see if y'all can y'all see that? Nice, pretty, German looking alternator. Y'all gonna learn. Y'all gonna learn today. All right, let me get this thing in the air and see what I can see. Now, aside from the noise, guys, by the way, it's a Jeep Patriot. Aside from the noise, that is a giveaway within itself, the alternator making that noise, but I can't go by the noise alone. I have to do my sneaky, I'm gonna do my hack way, my sneaky hack way to test, make sure this alternator, make sure I'm getting a signal from the PCM. All right, that is, I have a sneaky trick way of testing alternators that's not technically in the book. All right, and I don't really like discussing it, but aside from the noise, yeah, damn, I can't even gain access to the cover. See, you just don't assume the alternator is bad. We got to verify this heavy gauge wire is on and tight, as well as the connector being plugged in, because we're dealing with cousin Pookie here. So I'm gonna unplug this, let it back down, fire it up, and see if I'm getting my readings. All right, if I'm getting that signal from the PCM, all bets off. It's just, we need a freaking alternator. All right, guys. Yes, I got the connector right here. It was on there, good and tight. And whoever put this on must be a rookie, because well, I ain't gonna say that, because you're supposed to. This red thing is like a safety feature, but guys, if the connector's in good shape, do the next guy a favor and please don't activate that mug. It's already, you in there like this. You already can't get to nothing. How you supposed to pull this back and then press down on this to pull this off? It's crazy. They've got a little carried away with these security lock tab features and things like that, but so here's what I'm gonna do. But again, the alternator's bad, okay, because it's noisy and it's simply not putting out. But I'm gonna do my own personal diagnostics that I don't, whatever. Okay, this is a reckless way of testing on video, so I won't put it on video. All right, yes, some of your favorite YouTube mechanic is not professional all the time. All right, what I'm not finna hack anything. It's just what I'm about to test, or the way I'm about to test it. It's not suitable for, it's not right. So I'm not gonna film it. But here's what I'm looking at: replacing the alternator. Simple as that. Now they might get lucky. Here's the thing, guys. This is why I don't understand why people don't go back where they came from. Had they went back to Cousin Pookie's shop, he'd have been obligated to recheck his work. And he would have simply found out that the alternator that he put on last simply failed. That happens. That ain't nothing to be ashamed of. Yeah, it happens. So I checked my battery connections. I got good battery connection. I'm just not charging from the alternator. And I'm going to verify that I'm getting my signal from the PCM. That's going to further let me know that my alternator is at fault. All right, that's all I have for this video, man. I'll let y'all know because they just spent money. I don't go back to Cousin Pookie. It's okay. In this instance, he did nothing wrong. It's not a mechanic failure. This is a parts failure. Patriot owners. All right, guys, I got to go. Thanks for watching.